Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, where we try to get you the hottest deals at Harbor Freight as soon as possible. And today we have something to hold us down until likely tomorrow, where we'll see the confirmed Memorial Day weekend sale, is the new dollar days. Now, we do have the dollar days, if you catch this early enough, going on through the 21st, but these will all be done tonight. We're going to take a look at, well, literally the exact same one. This is on every single dollar day, it feels like. But the expiration date is now June 4th. So these new dollar days starting tomorrow will go through June 4th. Let's go through them. And we'll start with the Merlin 1/4 inch steel automotive plug for $1. Save 49%. Your choice of female or male. Out of curiosity. Prime Fit TP141 MS2 1/4 inch automotive steel plug with 0.25 inch male MPT. This comes with 2 pieces from Walmart for $10.68, or the Harbor Freight for $1 from Merlin for exactly $1. Interesting. Hallmaster 1 5/8 inch solid rubber swivel caster for $1. Also 49% off, was $199. Next, the Bauer 4 1/2 inch 24 grit metal grinding wheel for $1 as well, 49% off. Good to see that those are pretty big discounts across their dollar day items, although there's only $3 days, but I guess dollar could mean multiple dollars as well. Here we have the Hallmaster square bale PTO lock pin for $2, 33% off. What is this? Let's zoom out a little bit. Square bale PTO lock pin, a reliable lock pin for additional security on your trailer hitch. Ideal for keeping trailer couplers locked to trailer ball while in motion. That makes sense. Features include zinc plated to resist rust, easy release to disconnect the trailer quickly if necessary. We learn something new every single day. Pittsburgh plastic spreader set, 3-piece for $2. Save 33% off. HFT thread locker number 42, 10 milliliter medium strength for $2, was $2.99, so that's 33% off there in nice bright red. Then we have the Chicago Electric 1/4 inch by 14 feet, zoom in a bit here, protective wire wrap for $3, 24% off. Then we have the Western Safety high performance UV safety glasses for $3, save 24%. Your choice is smoke or clear lens. Then we have the Pittsburgh 8-inch steel adjustable wrench for $3, 39% off, was $5, and that seems like a really, really good deal. $3 for a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty adjustable wrench. Again, just $3. There it is. Hit the buy button. Next, some more Pittsburgh at $3. You can make a toolbox out of this. Pittsburgh 12-inch pry bar, also for $3. 39% off, was $5. Pittsburgh lifetime warranty. That's tough to beat. Next, Stick Tech 55 yards by 1.88 inch clear packaging tape, 3-pack for $4. That's 33% off compared to 3M, although I wonder how good this tape actually is. Next, we have the Vanguard 12-foot by 16 and 2 gauge indoor extension cord, white for $4, 19% off. Next, HFT stainless steel tweezers set, 6-piece for $5, 28% off, so that was $7. Decent discount. Next, Chicago Electric premium welding gloves for $6, $6.99, 14% off. Seemed like a better deal, but they were $7, so it was already a pretty decent deal. But 14%, okay, $6 for some welding gloves. Then we have the Daisy Outdoor Products F16 slingshot for $6. Used to be $9, that's 33% off, but look at the fine print. Look at the fine print. Not available in Minnesota, New Jersey, New York, or Tullahoma, Tennessee. All right, this is where I ask everybody who, I mean, you don't have to be from there, but who from Minnesota, New Jersey, New York, or specifically Tullahoma, Tennessee, why can't they sell this outdoor F-16 slingshot that's on sale for 33% off. Why can't they send it? Why can't they sell it to you? Super interesting. Didn't even know Harbor Freight sold slingshots. Next, Bauer 1 3/8 inch high carbon steel plunge flush cutting blade for oscillating multi-tools for $6 as well, 14% off. Then we have Bremen 6-inch C-clamp locking pliers for $6, almost 40% off. You can spend about $13 and get some C-clamp locking pliers, a $3 prying bar, a $3 adjustable wrench with some. You can spend like $20 and have a full tool chest, and then even an F-16 slingshot if you want to protect yourself. Next, 6x9 canvas drop cloth for $7, 29% off. Then we have the Hercules impact rated hex shank socket driver set, 3-piece for $7, 22% off. Pretty decent deal. Some more Pittsburgh multi-bit precision screwdriver set. These are the kind you see on Facebook Marketplace where people sell them for like $20. Next, Pittsburgh 1 1/4 pound fiberglass axe for $7, 22% off. HFT 7 foot 4 inches by 9 foot 6 inch heavy duty reflective all-purpose weather resistant tarp for $8, was about $10. That's close to 20% off. Then we have the Pittsburgh 12 foot 10 gauge jumper cables for $8, was $11. So that's 27% off. And then last but not least, we have the CRC 11 ounce electronics cleaner for $8, was $11. It's 27% off. And those are your new dollar days for going through June 4th. So going here through the weekend, to the Memorial Day weekend, and I've been seeing more comments confirming, well, not confirmed yet, but most likely same thing, multiple sources from different stores at Harbor Freight. They're saying that it's going to be 20% off any single item for ITC and 10% off for non-ITC members. I'll recommend that video that I just did a couple days ago on the most likely sale coming up. And then look out for that video tomorrow because I should be able to get you that confirmation. Anyways, happy Harbor Freighting. If you find this helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.